Hi everybody, so I'm Jordan and this is
Sophia.
Today, because we're members of the Southampton Youth Bureau, we're going to be making slime. So we need school glue, water, food coloring, shaving cream, 1 tablespoon of borax, and some glitter.
And glitter.
Okay, so first we are going to go and put in the glue.
So,
Make sure you get all of it in.
this is hard. Squeeze. Squeeze. This is hard. So hard. You know, I'm going to say that I think that's it.
There's no more glue.
That's,
Hello?
yeah, my brother.
There's no more glue on the side.
Yeah, my brother's doing weird stuff.
The whole side.
I want to mix it, but I can't.
Yeah.
Yeah, while we're waiting for my brother, I'm going to dance. No, 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 no.
Look at this up. Okay. I think.
You
know what? I'm just gonna.
It.
I can't put the cap on. Great. I can't put the cap on. Okay.
Yeah, my
So I'm just gonna put this here. So next we need water.
Water.
Thank you, Danny. So we decided to fill up ours with the water. So we just gonna just dump that whole thing in. And now I'm gonna start. Pray some more glue gets out if there is. You know what? Never mind. I'm gonna start mixing.
Now I'm gonna start mixing too.
So next we need some food coloring. Sophia, can you hand me a blue?
Here you go.
Thank you. Like three or 5 drops. 4.
Yeah, 4 is good. 1,
Does that count as 2?
2.
I'll just want one more because that was like half. So after you put the food coloring in, you're going to start mixing. There we go. I could actually just push that in. Is it supposed to be glue this quickly? Oh my god. Now we're going to put in some shaving cream. Yes. I put some more in.
Good?
Yes. Okay, we definitely need it. Need this step. So may you please say the next step?
The next step will be
4th.
Teaspoon of borax. Yeah,
So say we dump the borax in the water first. I'm just going to give it a little bit mixed just in case. You know what, never mind. I'm just going to pour it in. Now, okay, so now, Sophia, we're going to go and put the glitter in.
I'll put a little bit of... Actually, I don't really want any glitter.
Yeah, so we're going to put some glitter in. So my sister changed her mind.
Yeah,
actually,
glitter in.
Okay, so... Oh no, dang it, I put my hands in already.
My slime so far looks very stringy and looks already like slime. Like there's slime. But you don't want to mix too fast or else the slime will get everywhere, which would be a little complicated.
Yeah, so I already picked it up, but then I changed my mind, but now... Oh. Okay, so I'm going to continue mixing. Mine looks like it's done. It's actually, maybe it is. I have no idea. Well, even though I should actually be able to mix this with my hands now.
My slime looks very stringy. Whoa. It looks stringy.
Sophia, is this good slime? It's kind of...
That's amazing slime.
I'm basically done.
I think my slime's not going to turn out well because it's all stringy.
Continue mixing.
Everywhere. Hi everybody, I think I really need more borax. Mine is very, very stringy, which is a very weird thing.
My slime's pretty much done. So it's good. Like, you know what? This might be it. To be honest with you, I just want to do this with my sister, to be honest with you, because we were thinking of doing a video, and we thought of slime. So to be honest with you, we usually play with slime, so
You want to pour some of the water out?
this is actually my first time I ever even made, or actually I think actually touched slime. Well, I have no idea what to do after when you're done using it, but does anybody know? Wait, let me see.
My slime turned out to be a little
Honestly,
weird, so I'm going to make a new slime.
Let's see.
Okay. Ready, take two. This is my second try, and I hope I get it right. Now, I'm going to wait for my dad to put water in and try to keep squeezing this out. Well, that's a bad problem, but the good thing is still water. So I'm going to put water and I'm going to mix. After I'm mixing, I'm going to put food coloring. I think that'll be enough. I'm going to now use this spoon. This spoon looks better, so. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put that to the side, and now I'm going to use this spoon. Now next up, teaspoon of the I'm going to use this one. This one looks better. Well, I think I'm actually turning a design. Looks like a stone's mess. I think I'm going to start mixing my hands.
I got soup. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Mine's like a slime.
This is gloomy. It didn't come out as puffy, but at least it turns into a slime.
Who did it?
Excuse me?
I mean, you should actually make it your catchphrase.
Stop it. I don't even think I can get this off my hands now.
You can. Daddy, should we get So when you're done, you may want to get a container to put these in.
Or a plastic bag.
Mainly, a container is the best.
Yeah, but...
And then you're able to store them and use them next time.
Yeah, but don't keep them in too long. Because they might get dried out.
Yes. I say to use them every single day.
I think my slime turned out to be a really good slime, but in the beginning, not really.
Yes, and mine turned out to be a pie. Okay. So we should go now. Bye.
Bye. Bye.